This is your feed and stock report for Tuesday, January 13th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus, $449 to $487, 8 to $900, $5 to $524, 7 to 800, $524 to $559, 6 to 700, $575 to $636, 5 to 600, $624 to $729, 4 to 500, $770 to $867. Heifers 900 plus, $429 to $440, 8 to 900, $471 to $472, 7 to 800, $490 to $524, 6 to 700, $534 to $559, 5 to 600, $565 to $626, 4 to 500, $712 to $795, 3 to 400, $840 to $850. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volume smaller than the previous week. Last week, on a cash-to-cash basis, Alberta Fed prices were trading at a $23 discount against the Nebraska market. Despite the large discount, Canadian Fed cattle shipments to the U.S. have been running below year-ago levels to start the new year off. In 2025, Western Canadian Fed slaughter was down 122,000 head compared to 2024. Fed slaughter volumes were the smallest since 2018. On the cow side, in 2025, cow slaughter volumes were down 29,000 head versus 2024 and was the smallest volume since 2012. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows $2 to $2.30, D3 cows $1.65 to $2. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought $2 to $2.45. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Kansas yesterday, with live sales at $2.33. Sales are positioned at the top end of last week's trading range. Today, business remains quiet, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. USDA released its annual crop report yesterday. Corn for grain production was estimated at 17.0 billion bushels, up 269 million bushels compared to USDA's previous estimates in November. U.S. corn yields were also revised higher at 186.5 bushels per acre. Yields surpassed expectations as many were expecting lower yields. Yesterday, the nearby corn contract closed 20 cents per bushel lower, trading at the lowest point since August. Feeder cattle contracts did react positively to the news. National Bona cows averaged $298.64 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.18, down 10 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. February 235.87, up 62. April 237.05, up 97. June 231.70, up 110. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.